Some homes aren't meant to impress a crowd, they're meant to bring peace to the people who live in them. And this Amish home feels was built for a slower, simpler way of life, where mornings start quiet, evenings feel longer, and the world just seems to move at a gentler pace. Welcome to life on a slower road, literally. Here on Airport Road in Linesville, this property stands on a generous 20 acres of open land and fertile fields, a setting that feels far from the rush of the world, yet close enough to the places you need. This isn't just a house, it's a rural retreat that feels alive with nature, space, and possibility. With fertile soil underfoot and woods that attract trophy bucks and wild turkeys, this is quiet country living at its most authentic, a true farmette in this township. Before we step inside, I want to ask you something. Take a look at this place. A 7-bedroom home with over 3,300 square feet, sitting out here in peaceful country surroundings. What do you think a home like this is listed for? Hold that number in your mind, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal the actual price, and trust me, it will shock you. Let's take a walk through this home and see what life could feel like here. As you approach, there's a gentle and grounding presence, a home that feels welcoming without calling attention to itself. Simple lines, practical design, and a porch that invites quiet mornings with coffee and open skies and that calm, rural feeling you just can't recreate in town. This is the kind of place where you hear birds instead of traffic, where the air feels cleaner and time seems to slow down the moment you step outside. Walking up to the home, everything feels simple and welcoming. No grand entrances or flashy design, just a house that feels solid, lived in, and ready for everyday life. The kind of place where muddy boots are welcome and the door is always open. Stepping inside, the rooms open up with warmth. This home is big, over 3,300 square feet, yet each space feels like it's made for living. Picture evenings here with soft conversation, perhaps a fire somewhere close by, and that easy peace only rural homes offer. The kitchen is really the heart of this house. There's room to move, room to cook, and room to gather. Whether it's quick weekday meals or big family dinners, this space feels designed for real life, not just for show. The dining space feels made for simple gatherings, family meals, Sunday dinners, or quiet mornings when the only sound is a cup setting down on the table. The master bedroom feels simple and functional, with plenty of natural light and enough space to make it your own. This is the kind of room that doesn't just look good on camera, it feels good to wake up in memory. Each of the other 6 bedrooms feel calm and unhurried. Nothing fancy, just peaceful places to rest, to start the day slowly, and to end it the same way. Rooms that remind you how good it feels to live without constant noise around you. Down below is where the house really shows its strength. Storage, workspace, and room to grow. The kind of space that supports real living. Canning jars on shelves, tools on hooks, and projects waiting patiently for the right season. Down here is where the house really shows its strength. This is the backbone of the home, giving you the flexibility to use the space however your life needs. Beyond the main home sits a dowdy house, common in Amish communities for aging or extended family members, its own dwelling with space and quiet of its own. This way, aging family members can have their own space while still being close to loved ones and stay in place longer, being surrounded by peace and serenity. It isn't a true Amish property without a workshop. Here's something special. A 3,500 square foot commercial workshop built to support projects, storage, hobbies, farming gear, or whatever your day demands. This isn't an add-on, it's an asset. And here's where the heart of rural life really shows. A rustic barn with a hayloft and 9 horse stalls stands ready for livestock, equestrian dreams, or farm work. This property doesn't just sit on the land, it works with it. 20 acres of open pasture, fields, and woods mean room to roam, grow, and live without walls closing in. Whether you dream of gardens, grazing animals, or simply wide horizons that breathe, this is country living on a scale that few homes deliver. The land around the home ties everything together: space to plant gardens, raise animals, or just enjoy quiet evenings as the sun goes down. This isn't just property, it's room to breathe, to grow, and to live the kind of life that feels steady and grounded. Homes like this aren't about trends or luxury. They're about peace, about waking up without rushing, living without noise, and ending the day knowing you're exactly where you belong. A big home, a dotty house, workshop space, barn, and acres to write your own story. If you've been longing for calm days, open skies, and a life rooted in nature and simplicity, this farmette in Linesville just might be the beginning you've been looking for. All right, moment of truth. This 7-bedroom home with over 3,300 square feet and 20 acres of peaceful space around it is currently listed for just $499,000. For a place like this, in a setting like this, that number really makes you stop and think hailing. And whether that number feels high, fair, or surprisingly reasonable, it really puts into perspective what kind of life is possible when you choose space, quiet, and simplicity over noise and crowds. Homes like this aren't just about square footage, they're about how you want your days to feel. Slower mornings, quieter evenings, more room to breathe, and more room to live the way that feels right to you. If this place felt like the kind of home you could imagine yourself in, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy calm, country-style house tours like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'd love to take you through more beautiful homes like this.